Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, we're working on the Blackstone today. I took her out. She's got a little flaking going on my seasoning. I hope it's going to be alright. We oiled it back up. We're going to hope it takes care of itself. If it doesn't, we'll move on. We're going to make an Italian sausage and pepper melt today. We got Italian sausage, which I butterflied, some bread, which I cut down, Italian seasoning, whatever you want to use, some provolone cheese, 3 types of bell peppers here, 4 small pepperoncini peppers, 1 jalapeno that I've sliced up, 1 small onion, garlic, and marinara of your choice, whatever floats your boat. Salt and pepper. Let's get this cook going next. Alright, let's get started. We got our Italian sausage, mild Italian, raw bratwurst that I have done a butterfly with, as you can see. Just put them skin side down, or the side, you know, where your casing's at. We can get that nice and crispy, so we don't have any problem with that just biting off in our mouth later. We'll give those a head start. We'll put on our other stuff next. All right, while these are doing their thing, let's move them over. They're working hard there. Over here, put our pan down. And I'm using Newman's Own marinara. You can make your own or do whatever you want. Half a jar in there. All we're doing is heating this marinara through. So I got a 36-inch here, so I'm going medium high, medium high, medium high, and my right one is all the way off. So we're gonna throw her all the way here, over there, let it heat through. Our mild Italian sausages are looking good. Over like that. Let those go for a minute. We'll get our vegetables. Alright, we've been rolling for a minute, and these are getting pretty close done. Just move them over here to the side of the grill that's off. It's nice and warm. Still hot. Still gonna cook. It's still gonna cook through. Let's not waste any of that deliciousness that we got there, the fat and whatever, from our mild Italian sausage. So, here we go. Our onions, our jalapeno, our bell peppers, our yellow, our green, and our orange are going in there with our pepperoncini. So right there, right in the middle, we'll go in like that. Let those start cooking up. We will hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper, as we always do, and we will use some of that delicious Italian fusion that I always talk about. If you don't have this or can't get this, just use Italian seasoning. This one's actually got salt and pepper in it. Thyme, oregano, all that good stuff, especially for this dish we're making right here. I moved my sauce, my marinara, over to the hot side over here. Just make sure it's heating through. Our mild Italian sausages are over on the cool side, finishing up. We're gonna let these peppers and onions go here, and jalapenos. We'll be back. Our sausage and peppers are looking good. Our sausage is over here. I'm actually going to take the sausage over here, and I will show you here. We'll just put it right in here. I'm going to throw those in there. Let those chill out there. We got our peppers and onions going here on our Blackstone. Looking good. We're going to throw some garlic in there. Good tablespoon of garlic. Now, if you had fresh oregano, or not fresh, but oregano, I would throw some in right now, because it's always good in there. I didn't have any. I thought I did. Went to the store, come home, didn't have any oregano. Be a good time to put it in, if you have it. If not, it's going to be delicious anyway. We're going to hit it one more time with our Italian fusion, which will give us some great flavors in there again. We don't want to overcook these. We don't want to kill these. So they're getting pretty close. We'll be back. Alright, our peppers and onions still got a nice bite to them. So they're done. We'll move those over. We're going to take our Italian sausage that we got in our marinara here. We're going to pull those out. Put those on a plate. Putting these on a plate right now. They can finish in there. Get some of that sausage flavor into our marinara, like so. Then we're going to take all of our sausage and peppers, and that's going to go in to our marinara. We're going to put this over to the low side, warm side I should say. and just let those get married. And we'll be back. We'll toast the bread. All right, peeps, let's get busy on toasting some bread. We're gonna make two, one for myself and one for my neighbor Britt. He's been busy over there all day. He's doing stuff to his house. He's painting. Painting. What else you doing, Britt?
Running a blind dog.
Yeah, he's got a blind dog over there, so you know he's been babysitting. So we'll get some oil down there. Get our bread. Put it down on oil. That is an olive oil and canola oil mixture. So we get a little better smoke point on that olive oil. Like there. Go like that. Now, a little bit of salt and pepper on our bread. It needs that. A little bit more of our Italian seasoning on our bread, because when you always love that. Like so. All right, let's get some cheese on there, peeps. So, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and maybe 1, 2. There we go. All right. Now we let this toast, start to melt the cheese. We really don't have to because everything else is hot. Here is our peppers and onions mixture, looking freaking delicious. All right, we'll assemble next. All right, we're good looking toasty and delicious underneath, as you can see, looking good. Outside's hot. 2 sandwiches were going on here, and so 1, 2 of the sausages for each sandwich. Like so. Now, I know the cheese isn't melted yet, but it's hot. It's going to be good. And we got our mixture of our peppers, onions, jalapenos, garlic. That will go over the top like so. Nice and heavy. Don't be cheating yourself on the peppers and onions, people. That's part of the sandwich. Get her on there like so. Put your lid on, like so, and like so. All right, gonna toast it probably another minute. We'll cut into it, take a bite. All right, time to cut into this bad boy. Looking good, isn't it? We did some good work on the Blackstone today. Let's cut right through that bad boy like that. I think I got through it. Ooh, I don't know. We'll see here. I didn't get it. Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, look at that. Tell me that is not deliciousness right there on the stick. All right, we're gonna put them there. We're gonna take a picture. We'll be back. We'll do a final taste test. We'll call it good. All right, now we gotta taste it. And I'll tell you what, by looking at it, it has to taste good. There's no way it can't. Let's take a bite out of it. And there you got it. Sausage and peppers, garlic, provolone. Make it your own. We'll see you next week, folks.